Hi guys, this is Tracy from We Craft at Home, and as I was doing my grandson's first birthday decorations, I realised my daughter-in-law had bought this sign, and it should be coming up on your screen now for you to see. And I was looking at it, I helped to do the photos, and then I was like, honestly, it is such a simple thing to do. Why did she buy it? We could have done it, no problem. So I thought I'm just going to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to do. So I've got my happy birthday. Now, don't get me wrong, this was really cheap. I think she got it from Temu. In some ways, it's easier to just get it done like that. But then you've got to stick to their font, their wording, and their sizing and everything like that. So I just thought if you could just have a quick look. So I've put happy birthday, and I've done it in the Lovecraft font because I love that font and I think it's a lot nicer. So I'm going to divide it so that it's all separate letters, because obviously we need a letter above each one. But what I also wanted to do, because I'm a crafter, I can't help it, I'm going to do an outward offset, and that's the one I'm going to use to add to the square so that we can add that on afterward. First of all, let's grab everything so we know it's the right size, and I'm just going to go bigger. I really need the size of this, so I have to keep checking. Okay, let's go with that. I just want to make sure I'm keeping everything the same size. So that means the square I want. Now, the one that she bought, it was to fit a photo that was 6x4. So if we think along those lines, I'm going to go 6 high. No, let's go 6.5 high, so we've got some space around it. We can go a little bit narrower, so we'll go 4.5. You can do more if you wish. So you can use whatever words you want. I'm just using happy birthday just to be able to show you. But what we're going to do is add this one. Now, it looks like it needs to be a hell of a lot bigger, so I am just going to tell you what we're going to do. Let's go down a little bit so I've got everything. I am going to take away that for a minute, because what I'm going to do is put it all together in the middle. Then if we add that back in, because that's really the size that we're worried about. Okay, so let's go, we can't go no bigger than 4 really. Let's go up to 4. So you could do it smaller than that if you wanted. But let's try that and see how it goes. So all you're going to do is, if you do the outline like I've done with the H, but you do it for all the letters, okay? Let's just move the actual letters out the way. If I get the H, I'm using the arrow keys to bring it out. Okay, now I can see it's that one. So it'll be like that. So then what we're going to do is weld them together. That's the first thing. And you will do this for every letter that you use, whether it be happy birthday or first birthday or happy anniversary. You know, whatever you're doing, it's a boy, it's a girl, even names. So first thing you're going to do is use the weld button down here, and you can see it's welded together. And then if I change the colours of this, you'll be able to see. So, okay, let's go gold like she had. And then we're going to send that to the back. And we'll do the H in red. I mean, red looks lovely with gold. So there you go. So that's how it will look. The only thing we need on the picture, on the one that we got, there was holes to thread the ribbon. So if we get a circle and we bring it down in size, we need it fairly small. What size is that? 43. Actually, that's about right. So let's say 45, just so that we know where our numbers are. We want to duplicate that, and we want to put it roughly the same area. And then we're going to make sure it's aligned together so that they're evenly together. So that's through the middle, like that. Now that looks pretty good to me. So you get all three and subtract, and that will show you arrange same to the back so the H can come back up, and that will show that is all it was. So you can, if you don't want to do the extra letter like me, you can just add the actual H in and do the same thing, but that is all it is. And then you're just going to thread through the front and out the back and add the letters together. And then if you cut the letters out, you can add it as well. It's as simple as that. So, you know, if you want to do your own thing and make it a bit better, because I've got to be honest, it wasn't great. I mean, it's a brilliant idea and it worked really well, but you know, us crafters could do so much more to it. I'm not going to do it because it's too late now. We've already used it, but I just wanted to share with you how easy it would be for us to do it ourselves. And I wish I had, if I'm being honest. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.